thought I will show you guys the hair I'm using to make this 6 by 13 by 6 lace front. This is expression braiding hair. Typically they come in 165 gram and 82 inch long. So they come usually very long, and nobody, I don't think, want to use it full 82 inch long. So I've cut it into 3 as you see me doing, fold it into 3, then cut it, and then I'm gonna pull it out. Excuse me. As you can see, I've divided that 3, divided the pack, cut it into 3. So that is the length I'm going for. This should give me around 18 to 20 inch, even more, depending on how good you are at pulling hair. So now I'm gonna quickly show you guys how I pull it to get rid of that sharp blunt cut that I've just created. There you have it. It's just a matter of taking small piece. The smallest you can get, the better. My sister is so good at this. And just keep pulling it. Really, you literally destroying the hair. So you just go on pulling. So daunting. Usually it take me like 3 hours to pull 3-4 packs, which is like ages. So just keep pulling. The downside or the hard side I find in doing this is the combing it, because you literally just tangled up the hair. Now you need to untangle it. So you have to hold it really firm as you brushing it, because you want to get rid of all the knots that you created. So there you go. As you can see, the idea is to get rid of that blunt cut. So nobody really want that. Last time I saw that being used was in year 2000. In year 2000. So that blunt cut that you can see, once it's pulled properly and brushed through, it should be rid of, and you should end up with something looking like this. So there you go. Natural hair, relaxed, Caucasian, more or less that is how you expect it to be. So this is it. That is what I wanted to show you guys. I did not really show much of how I made this entire wig. If you need to know how I make this type of wigs from like start to finish, I have a video that I can link behind this video, so you guys can check that out. So what I did on this is did single braid all around, because it's a 13 by 6 inch lace. I want to make use of that extra lace that I've gotten. So at the back of it, I use the color 35, and the rest of the hair I just use 1B, trying to keep it simple. This very wig is in such demand. I don't seem to be having enough hour in the day to make them, because they take that long to make, and this is not my only job. So it's the pressure is on. It's on, but I'm not complaining. Others are rolling it, and I'm very pleased. I'm blessed. I'm blessed to be able to have this, gifted hand. What can I say? So there it is. So what I did is just do tiny little cornrows just to cover that single braid. I did not really part so much out, because I want to make sure I have enough at the top to finish up what I need to do. So once I've done all these cornrows, you more or less get the gist of how the rest is gonna go. The top, I just weave it up into like a little ponytail kind of thing. So after that, I added face foundation to the lace himself. So all those dark knots you tend to see, so they can kind of, I don't know, not reveal as much. What else can I tell you? And I think that was it. This week was really time consuming, but I've enjoyed making it. I really have. So I'm gonna kind of leave you guys to enjoy the fun part, which is the styling. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also used the Got to Be Glue Ultra Gel to lay down the front, but I didn't Got to be glue is not a glue, it's just a gel, stronghold gel. But it does the job for a day or so. Then I use the blast spray just to make sure it's nicely sprayed down and stays down for duration of the styling of the style. So that is it. This wig already come with elastic band added to it, and what else to add? She end up being a 22-inch wig. So I'm gonna leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. I think I'm just I don't know, rambling now. Enjoy the fun part, my favorite part, which is the styling. I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so. Ciao, ciao.
just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye. Do you love again? Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you. Make you feel love again. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl. Baby, come on, baby. Just to my world, talking to my eyes alone. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl. Come on, baby, let's go party. Time to let it go. You are my only you, girl, my baby, girl, 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 girl. Come back, be with me, come to me again. Come on, baby, let it go, make me fine again. Love is you, realize. Love is 것 같아 내게 다가와줘 어서 내게 키스를 해줘 오늘 이 밤이 내게 너무 소중해 내게 장난치지 마 다가와 my baby girl I need